Number one, well, we want to know what x is excluded. Which x can this not be? Well, it's a fraction. So what's true? This bottom can never come out to be a zero because you can't put things in groups of zero. You can never divide by zero. So I just take every fraction and I'm like, hey, this guy can't be zero. So let's solve it and figure out what x value is going to create that problem. I subtract 10 to move the 10 over. So 2x can't come out to be negative 10. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X is not allowed to be negative 5. So negative 5 is the excluded value for number one. Number two, well, I can't let this bottom come out to be 0. Well, divide by 100, divide by 100. X obviously can't be a 0 because 100 times 0 will create a 0 in the bottom. Can't have that. Another fraction. Now you got two fractions this time. So we got to make sure this guy can't be 0 and this guy can't be 0. They're being multiplied, so I just got to concentrate on the bottoms only. If it were division, I'd have to concentrate on the top two because things would get flipped, but don't have to here. So minus 1, x can't be negative 1. Add 8, x can't be a positive 8 because those would create zeros in the bottom, and you can't have that. They're not part of the domain. Number 4, final one here. Well, this is easy enough. He can't be 0. Boom, done with him. Can't be 0, and then just solve for x. So 3x can't be a 6. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X can't be a 2. So x can't be 0, and x cannot equal 2. Better stop there because I'm having trouble writing, obviously.